If you want to go from this to this, then watch the video. As the temperatures drop and the days get shorter, it's easy to fall into the trap of comfort food and hibernating on the couch. But if you're trying to lose weight during the winter, you're not alone. In fact, the winter months are a great time to focus on your health. Today, I'm sharing a winter diet plan for weight loss that's not only effective, but also comforting and satisfying. So, grab a blanket, maybe a warm drink, and let's dive in. First up, focus on warming, nutritious foods. Think stews, soups, and broths. These meals are comforting and can be packed with lean proteins, fiber-rich vegetables, and healthy fats. The warmth helps with digestion and makes you feel full longer, preventing those wintertime cravings. If you are vegetarian, go for vegetable or lentil soup. Otherwise, best option is fish and chicken soup. These dishes are high in fiber and protein, which will keep you satisfied and prevent you from reaching for those extra holiday cookies. Tip 2. Don't skip breakfast. It's so easy to skip the most important meal of the day. But during winter, it's crucial to start your day with something energizing and filling. Try warm oatmeal with chia seeds or chia pudding, topped with berries and a sprinkle of almonds. These foods are high in fiber and healthy fats, which will keep your energy levels steady throughout the morning. If you don't like such breakfast, then you can have white portion of 2 eggs, 1 apple, and black coffee with no sugar. You can add honey if you can't drink, but please, no white sugar. Not only will this give you sustained energy, but it'll also help curb those mid-morning hunger pangs, so you won't feel tempted to snack on unhealthy options. Tip 3. Stay hydrated, with a twist. Now, hydration is key, especially in winter. But let's face it, cold water isn't always as appealing when it's freezing outside. That's why I recommend hot herbal teas like ginger tea or lemon and mint tea, or infused warm water with a slice of lemon, ginger, or even cinnamon. These can aid digestion and keep you hydrated without the heaviness of a sugary drink. You can also make mixed fruit tea, which is very delicious and healthy. These drinks not only help boost your metabolism, but also keep your skin glowing and support your immune system. Especially important during cold and flu season. Tip 4. Incorporate seasonal veggies. Winter offers an abundance of seasonal vegetables like Brussels sprouts, kale, carrots, and sweet potatoes. These are high in antioxidants and essential vitamins, and they're perfect for roasting, adding to soups, or tossing into salads. Make sure you're getting plenty of these in your meals to support your weight loss journey. These veggies are low in calories, high in nutrients, and they're also great for your metabolism. Plus, they're filling so you won't be reaching for those heavier comfort foods. Tip 5. Healthy snacks to beat winter cravings. Winter cravings can be intense, especially for sweet or salty snacks. But you don't have to give in. Instead, choose healthy alternatives. Keep some roasted almonds, dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, or even apple slices with almond butter on hand for when those cravings hit. These snacks are packed with healthy fats and fiber, which will keep you full and prevent overeating later. And remember, a little bit of dark chocolate can actually be good for you. Just make sure it's the high-quality kind. Tip 6. Don't forget to move. Even though it's cold outside, try to get in some indoor workouts like yoga, Pilates, or a short walk. Movement is key to weight loss, and even just 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. If you're not in the mood for intense workouts, try a body weight circuit in your living room. Feel free to check out my weight loss workout video for beginners, which you should must try. I am adding the link in description. Plus, exercise releases endorphins, which can help beat those winter blues. It's all about balance. Fuel your body with the right foods and stay active to keep the weight off. Please do not skip the dinner. Make sure to have your dinner at least 5 hours before sleeping, because this does make a big difference. You can have anything grilled like chicken, veggies, lentil curry prepared with less olive oil. You can also have brown rice sometime. Feel free to eat grill fish with veggies or anything you like, but no oil and sugar, please. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos.